Introducing the Morningstar SureSine Off-Grid Inverter, a revolution in power conversion. Glowing Star, unleashing pure sine wave magic. The Morningstar SureSine Inverter is a game-changer, offering an exceptional DC to AC conversion with a pure sine wave output. But here's the kicker. It's not just about the conversion. It's about the superior design and engineering that sets this inverter apart. Industrial-grade excellence. Crafted with meticulous attention to detail, the SureSine boasts an industrial-grade build, ensuring durability and reliability. Seamlessly integrates with Morningstar charge controllers, creating a harmonious off-grid power system. Communication and control. Multiple communication ports, including RS-485, USB, Ethernet, and Bluetooth, enable easy setup and monitoring. Utilize industry-standard Modbus protocol for seamless integration with various devices. Remote on-off feature enhances safety and control, especially in hard-to-reach locations. Powerful features, unmatched performance. Auxiliary power output on select models provides additional DC power for various applications. Overbuilt, low-frequency transformer ensures stable sine wave output, a critical factor for sensitive electronics. Fanless convection cooling with aluminum heat sinking maximizes efficiency and reliability. Status LEDs provide real-time system and output monitoring, ensuring peace of mind. Safety and certifications. Morningstar SureSine excels in safety, earning NRTL certifications for low noise and high performance. These certifications guarantee reliability and system conformance, giving you peace of mind. Expanding horizons. The SureSine line expands Morningstar's inverter offerings, building upon the success of the SureSine Classic. With wireless Android and iOS apps, multiple remote terminal options, and industry-leading certifications, the new line takes off-grid power to the next level. Industrial-grade performance. SureSine models feature premium toroidal transformers, ensuring stable sine wave output, even in demanding conditions. Designed for mission-critical off-grid installations, the SureSine line delivers exceptional thermal performance. The fanless design enhances reliability, as demonstrated by the 300W model's impressive performance at high temperatures. And this is the part most people miss. The SureSine's superior thermal performance and fanless design make it a top choice for off-grid applications. With models ranging from 150W to 2500W, you get outstanding performance and reliability, ensuring your off-grid power needs are met efficiently. So, are you ready to embrace the power of pure sine wave with Morningstar's SureSine Off-Grid Inverter? Thought-provoking question. Have you considered the benefits of off-grid power systems? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments. Let's spark a conversation about sustainable energy solutions.